What's up? Today we've got a 2024 Toyota Camry with a cigarette burn in the driver's seat. This is kind of like a mix between cloth and vinyl. If I do a vinyl repair on this, it's going to be shiny and weird probably, unless I use a lot of flattener, which I could do. I could do a regular burn repair, but I thought maybe this would be fun to try. So I'm going to do a vinyl repair. I'm going to dust it with some burn repair flock. I've got about 100 different colors of velour. Here I've got some black, a little bit of gray, maybe too much, yeah, a little bit of gray and some brown. And it's going to shake this up. There's a little bit of the black on there by itself. From a distance you can kind of see it, so I decided to add a little color and see if that would make it better. Might have ruined it, might just have to go back to regular black. But now, interesting, in the camera you can see that really well, this other little pile of mixed color, but by eye, or just standing here, it's less visible than this pile. I think I'll add a little black, a little more black, and then we'll use that, see what we get. All right. Get it out of this before I get to heating it with the heat gun. There it is. A little bit of a dark spot. So, I wonder if I can scratch it a little bit and lighten the surface, or if that won't work, I don't know. Not particularly. Well, better than a hole, and I think I'll touch it up a little bit and see if I can lighten it up. Not too bad. Now it's a little bit light. Good enough. Catch you on the next one.